guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the tricolor Tunisian scarf, which has this beautiful texture. It has the knit stitch as well as the purl stitch in between. It uses 7 sets of 3 different colors and has 20 stitches across. You will need 3 different skeins of Lime brand yarn, color made easy, as well as a Tunisian hook in a size 8mm with an extension as well as a button. I got these from Clover. Start with a chain of 21, then insert the hook on the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop, and do that for all the chains. Once you reach the end, you will need to go back. Yarn over and pull through 1, and then for all the rest of them, yarn over, pull through 2. We're now going to start with the Tunisian knit stitch as well as the Tunisian purl stitch. The first stitch is going to be a Tunisian purl stitch. You need to push your yarn to the front, insert your hook through the stitch, which is these vertical bars. Hold your yarn so it stays in the front, yarn over and pull through. The next stitch is a Tunisian knit stitch. You're going to see 2 bars, one in the front and one in the back. Push your hook right through those 2 bars to the back, yarn over, and pull through. Now you're going to do a Tunisian purl stitch again. To the front goes the yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Now we're doing the Tunisian knit stitch again. Go through the 2 bars, yarn over, and pull through. So for the Tunisian knit stitch, the yarn is in the back. For the Tunisian purl stitch, the yarn is in the front. So again, the Tunisian purl stitch, pull it to the front, insert your hook and hold the yarn so it stays in the front, yarn over and pull through. Keep the yarn in the back for the Tunisian knit stitch. Do that for the rest of the row. At the end, make sure you go through 2 loops. In the beginning, you still see a tiny bit of curl, but once you get along, the curl will disappear. We now need to work our way back. You do it the same way as the Tunisian simple crochet. First one is yarn over, pull through 1, and all the other ones is going to be yarn over, pull through 2. Once you reach the end, you're going to repeat that row back and forth, so you have a total of 10 rows of just knit and purl stitches. It would look like this. When you reach 10 rows of just knit and purl stitches, you will need to now change colors. So let me show you how to change colors. During the 10th row of one specific color, you're going to finish that row in this specific color before you change colors. You will change colors when you go backwards. Let me show you what that means. You're still going to do the normal stitch repeat as we talked about by doing purl and knit stitches back and forth. So pretend this is the 10th row before you change colors. Now you worked your way one way, you now need to work your way backwards with the new color. So I'm going to attach my yarn, the new color, and pull it through. This is going to be my loop that I normally do. What I like to do is I like to tie these up already, so that way my yarn doesn't move around. I'm now going to go back just the normal ways I did before, but doing it with the new yarn color. As you can see now, I created one more row of the previous color, and I'm now ready to work on the new color. You do it the same way as before, just that there is a new color. You keep on going until you have 7 sets of 3 different colors, each having 10 rows Tunisian knit and purl stitches, back and forth. Then the scarf will be finished and will look like this. You will keep on going. You will have your color changes after every 10 rows of Tunisian purl and knit stitches. Change colors every 10 rows and do 7 sets of these 3 different colors until you finish your scarf, which is going to be very, very long, and you will be able to wrap it around your neck, hopefully 2 to 3 times. The back will look like this. You will probably not have to block it, since the Tunisian knit and purl stitch do not make the scarf curl. Make sure you weave in your ends at the end, and then you can enjoy your scarf as it is now ready to go to be worn. I hope this video was helpful on how to do the tricolor Tunisian scarf. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.